before the engine treatment. Engine is fully warm before the engine. Alright, so here is the Motorkote. As you can see, it's brand new, never opened. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let me just make a small puncture in here. Alright.
I always like to do the sniff test. Actually smells just like oil, like just regular engine oil. I have a container here. It's a little bit above over 2 ounces, this container. I'm going to be putting 4 ounces in here to start, just to test it out. See if it makes a difference. I'm going to put a crankcase, you guys see that?
Alright, so I'm going to start it up. Hey guys, so the ticking's gone. I have no idea what happened. I put some Marvel Mystery Oil into the gas tank again, but I really don't think it's that. Earlier I turned on the AC and left it on for 10, 15, 20 minutes, and I turned it off, and now the ticking's gone. Weirdest thing ever. So anyways, just listen, because I don't hear it. Pretty sure it's not apparent right now, but anyways, you guys listen, okay? I hear a little bit of a engine coarseness, but I don't hear the ticking. What the heck? So I do have the Motorkote in, but it didn't make a difference originally. So I'm not even sure, maybe it's the Motorkote. See, I don't hear it at all. My AC is off right now. CRV. If the engine stays like this, I'm happy. But I bet you anything that, you know, it's gonna come back tomorrow. It's just the weirdest thing ever. The engine's completely warm. It's a warm day. It's about, or warm night. It's about 16 degrees Celsius as per the dash. In my other video, when I slow down, you can actually hear it. So I'm gonna slow down. Nothing. Speed up. It's gone. What the heck? What do you guys think? Marvel Mystery Oil or Motorkote? Or was it me turning on the aircon, which maybe tightened it up the belt or something? Or the tensioner, fixed the tensioner sound? I'm still running on the same gas tank of Chevron 91 octane. I put some 3.5 ounces of Marvel Mystery Oil last night. Crazy. What do you guys think?
So does the engine sound any different? If anything, it's louder.
So you guys heard my engine earlier. I have no idea, okay? I'm not sponsored by any of these products. This is what is in there right now. Motorkote and Marvel Mystery Oil. And it has like fixed the ticking noise. The thing is, right, the Motorkote, after I put it in, it made the engine a little bit louder. I'll upload the sound meter decibel reading later on. And then last night I put some Marvel Mystery Oil in because the Motorkote didn't actually do anything. It made it a little bit louder, and the ticking was still there for a few days actually. And then that's why I just said, well, I could put some Marvel Mystery Oil into the Chevron, because the Chevron didn't do anything either. And tonight, after me turning on the AC and driving to and from my friend's house, came back and the ticking is gone for tonight. So it might come back tomorrow and my oil looks fine. Just above the full line. Actually, it's a little bit high actually, because I had to put the Motorkote in there, and I had to put a certain amount of ounces into the oil. So anyways, I'm not too sure what's happening. I'll keep you guys posted, but for now, the ticking has gone, and at least down to a level that is acceptable anyway. So it could be the Marvel Mystery Oil, it could be the Motorkote. I have no idea. That's what it is at right now. I'm gonna report back to you guys. Like again, I'm not sponsored by these products, and the video clip, you guys can hear it. It's not there. If you look at my other shorts, you can actually short videos, you can actually hear the ticking. I was in the parking lot
and you could hear it when you when I slow down to crawl speed, and when I speed up, you can also hear that tick, 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 tick. And tonight it's not there. Listen to the clips again if you guys like, but it's not there. It's weird. Anyways, if it's gone, I'm so happy, because I don't have to mess around with those guys at service, right? At Honda, because they just tell me that nothing's wrong with the engine. I just know that they're going to do that. Other than that, nothing else has changed. So hopefully it's gone for good. If it comes back, I will let you guys know, right? So have a good night. Talk to you soon.